Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. 27th Surah An-Naml. We have recited 25 Surah of An-Naml. Now we started from 26. Allah La ilaha illahu, the Lord of the Supreme Throne. Salman said, "We shall see whether you speak the truth or you are one of the liars. Go you with this letter of mine and deliver it to them and draw back from them and see what answer they return." He said, "O chief, verily here is delivered to me a noble letter. Verily it is from Salman, and verily it reads in the name of Allah, the most gracious, the most merciful. Be you not exalted against me, but come to me as Muslim." She said, "O chief, advise me in this case of mine. I decide no case till you are present with me." They said, "We have great strength and great ability for war, but it is for you to command, so think over what you will command." She said, "Verily, king, when they enter a town, they despoil it and make the most honorable amongst its people the lowest, and thus they do. But verily I am going to send him a present and see with what the messenger return." So when the messenger with the present came to Salman, he said, "Will you help me in wealth? What Allah has given me is better than that which He has given you. Nay, you rejoice in your gift." Then Salman said to the chief of her messenger who brought the present, "Go back to them. We verily shall come to them with a host, and they cannot resist, and we shall drive them out from there in disgrace, and they will be abased." He said, "O chief, which of you can bring me her throne before they come to me, surrendering themselves in obedience?" A Afreet, strong one from the jinn, said, "I will bring it to you before you rise from your place, and verily I am indeed strong, the trustworthy for such work." One with whom was knowledge of the scripture said, "I will bring it to you within the twinkling of an eye." Then when he saw it placed before him, he said, "This is by the grace of my Lord, the test to test me whether I am grateful or ungrateful. And whoever is grateful, truly his gratitude is for of his own self, and whoever is ungrateful, certainly my Lord is rich, bountiful." He said, disguise her throne for her, that we may see whether she will be guided or she will be one of those not guided." So when she came, it was said, "Is your throne like this?" She said, as thought it were the very same, and said, "Knowledge was bestowed on us before her, and we were submitted to Allah, and that which she used to worship besides Allah has prevented her, for she was of the disbelieving people." It was said to her, "Enter as Sarah, glass surface with water underneath it, or a palaces." But when she saw it, she thought it was a pool, and she, uncovering her legs, Salman said, "Verily it is a sarha, water underneath, or a palaces." She said, "My Lord, verily I have wronged myself, and I submit in Islam together with Salman to Allah, to Lord of the Alameen." And indeed we sent to Samud their brother Saleh, saying, "Saleh, Allah, worship Allah." Then look, they become two parties quarreling with each other. He said, "O my people, Why do you seek to hasten the evil before the good? Why seek you not the forgiveness of Allah and that you may receive mercy? They said, we augur ill omen from you and those with you. He said, your ill omen is with Allah, nay, but you are a people that are being tested. And there were in the city 9 men who made mischief in the land and would not reform. They said, swear one of the another by Allah that we will make a secret night attack on him and his household, and thereafter we will surely say to his near relatives, we witnessed not the destruction of his household, and verily we are telling the truth. So they plotted a plot, and we plotted a plot, while they perceived not. Then see how was the end of their plot? Verily, we destroyed them and their nation altogether. These are their houses in utter ruin, for they did wrong. Verily, in this is indeed an ayah for a people who know. And we saved those who believed and used to fear Allah and keep their duty to Him. And remember Lut, when he said to his people, do you commit al-fahisha while you see? Do you practice your lusts on men instead of women? Nay, but you are a people who behave senselessly. There was no other answer given by his people except they said, drive out the family of Lut from your city. Verily, these are men who want to be clean and pure. So we saved him and his family, except his wife. We denied her to be We destined her to be of those who remained behind, and we rained down on them rain of stones. So evil was the rain of those who were warned. Say, O Muhammad, all praise and thanks are Allah's, and peace be upon his slaves, whom he has chosen for his messenger. Is Allah better or all that they ascribe as partners to him? Of course, Allah is better. Is not He better than your God, who has created the heavens and the earth, sent down for you water from the sky, whereby we cause to grow wonderful garden full of beauty and delight? It is not in your ability to cause the growth of their trees. Is there any ilah with Allah? Nay, but they are the people who ascribe equal to him. Is not he better than your God, who has made the earth as a fixed abode and has placed rivers in its midst and has placed firm mountain therein and has set a barrier between the two seas? Is there any ilah with Allah? Nay, but most of them know not. Is not he better than your God, who respond to the distressed one when he calls on him, and who remove the evil and make your inheritance of the earth generations after generations? Is there any ilah with Allah? Little is that you remember. Is not he who guides you in the darkness of the land and the seas, and who sends the winds as harlots of glad tidings, going before his mercy? Is there any ilah with Allah? High exalted is you. Is Allah above all that they associate his partners to him? Is not he better than your so-called God, who originate creation and shall thereafter repel it, and who provides for you from heavens and the earth? Is there an ilah with Allah? Say, bring forth your proof if you are truthful. Say, none is in the heavens and the earth knows the ghaib except Allah, nor can they perceive when they shall be resurrected. Nay, they have no knowledge of the hereafter. Nay, they are in doubt about it. Nay, they are in complete blindness about it. And those who disbelieve say, when we have become dust, we and our fathers shall we really be brought forth again. Indeed, we were promised this, we and our forefathers before. Verily, these are nothing but tales of ancients. So say to them, O Muhammad, travel in the land and see how has been the end of the mujrimeen, and grieve you not over them, nor be straitened because of what they plot, and the disbelievers in the oneness of Allah say, when will this promise? If you are truthful, say perhaps that which you wish to hasten on may be close behind you. Verily, your Lord is full of grace for mankind. Yet most of them do not give thanks, and verily, your Lord knows what their breasts conceal and what they reveal. And there is nothing hidden in the heaven and the earth, but it is in clear book. Verily, this Quran narrates to the children of Israel most of that in which they differ, and truly, it is guide and mercy for the believers. Verily, your Lord will decide between them by his judgment, and he is Almighty, all knower. So put your trust in Allah. Surely, you, O Muhammad, are one manifest truth. Verily, you cannot come the dead to hear, or nor can you make the deaf to hear the call when they flee, turning their backs, nor can you lead the blind out of their error. You can only make to hear those who believe in our ayah and those who submitted. And when the word of torment is fulfilled against them, we shall bring out from the earth a beast for them. Speak to them, because mankind believed not with certainty in our ayah. And remember the day when we shall gather out of every nation a troop of those who denied our ayah, and then they all shall be driven to the palaces of Renocking, till when they come, he will say, did you deny of my ayah, whereas you comprehended them not by knowledge, or what was it that you used to do? And the word will be fulfilled against them, because they have done wrong, and they will be unable to speak. See, they note that we have made the night from them to rest therein, and the day sight giving. Verily, in this are ayah for the people who believe. And remember the day on which the trumpet will be blown, and all who are in the heavens and all who are on the earth will be terrified except him whom Allah will, and all shall come to him humbled, and you will see the mountains and think them solid, but they shall pass away as the passing away of the clouds, the work of Allah, who perfected all things. Verily, he is well acquainted with what you do. Whosoever bring a good deed, behalf in the oneness of Allah, along with every deed of righteous, will have better than its worth, and they will be safe from the terror on the day. And whosoever bring as evil deed of Allah and evil sinful deed, they will be cast down. On their face is the fire. Are you king being recompensed anything except what you used to do? I have been commanded only the worship of Lord of the city, this city, who was sanctified it, and to whom belongs everything, and I am commanded to be from among the Muslims, and that I should recite the Quran. Then whosoever receive guidance receive it for the good of his own self, and whosoever goes astray say, I am only one of the warners, and said, say, all the praise of thank are Allah. He will show you his ayah, and you shall recognize them, and your Lord is not unaware of what